Your expenses are rising all the time. Your fuel bill doesn't have to be one of them. At Goodyear, we believe your truck should go further on a tank of fuel. And that's what Goodyear's Fuel Max line will help you do. Goodyear Fuel Max tires feature fuel-saving compounds, advanced tire constructions, and special tread designs to lower your rolling resistance and enhance your fuel economy. Fuel Max tires can help you battle high fuel prices, starting with the new Fuel Max LHD G505D and Fuel Max LHS, the most fuel-efficient long-haul tire combination in North America. The combination of the Goodyear Fuel Max LHD G505D and Fuel Max LHS saves on average $1,300 worth of fuel per truck per year compared to the combination of the Michelin X-Line Energy D and Michelin XZA3 Plus EverTread. And that's not all. The combination of the Fuel Max LHD G505D and Fuel Max LHS saves on average $560 worth of fuel per truck per year compared to the combination of the Bridgestone M710 Ecopia and Bridgestone R283 Ecopia. And the combination of the Fuel Max LHD G505D and Fuel Max LHS saves on average $560 worth of fuel per truck per year compared to the combination of the Continental Eco Plus HD3 and Continental HSL2 Eco Plus. In addition to superior fuel savings, the Goodyear Fuel Max LHD G505D and Fuel Max LHS also feature a steel belt casing package for extra toughness, a highly retreadable casing to help you get the most out of your tire investment and more. And to optimize your savings in every wheel position, Goodyear will introduce a new Fuel Max trailer tire, the Fuel Max LHT, later this year. And for regional delivery trucks, Goodyear will introduce the Fuel Max RSA. Part of Goodyear's total package solution, tires with Goodyear Fuel Max technology will help you reduce your fuel bill and lower your overall operating cost. For more about our new Fuel Max tires, stop by your nearest Goodyear commercial tire dealer or visit www.goodyeartrucktires.com. Goodyear, more driven.